Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your divine masculine to the divine feminine messages. What are the messages divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines? Okay, twin flame reading. In this video, I hope it help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general collective messages, okay, and the energies of the divine masculine, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you have not subscribed my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So now let's see. I will start with the messages. What are the messages divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Okay, what are the things, what are the messages they want to say to the divine feminines? Okay, so now let me see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy. Please help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are in a twin flame journey with no contact. Okay, what are the messages? What does divine masculine wants to say? Okay, what does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? For 1 second my ear was numb. Okay. Okay, what does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say? Okay. Let me adjust my cards. They want to connect with you in 5D here, okay? Okay. So yes, let me read it out. They want to tell you that you are my home. You know me better than anyone else. Okay, so they find out that you are the home for them and there is no one else who understand them. You understand me. Okay, you know me better than anyone else. You respect my family and I love you infinite. This is beautiful. They love the way you respect their family and I love you infinite. Then there is it possible to forgive and forget? Because they know that they feel very badly. I feel badly for the way I treated you. You did not deserve that. Okay, so they know that you did not deserve that. Okay, the treatment they have done to you, the things they have done to you, divine feminine, they know that they have treated you very badly, they have treated you wrong, and they want to ask you that is it possible to forgive and forget? Okay, they want to know that is it possible to forgive and forget? You are the only one I wanna be with. So you are the only one with whom they want to live here. You give me enough space. Please connect me in 5D. You give me enough space. Please connect me in 5D. They want to connect with you, divine feminines, in 5D, because I know your energy. You are not sharing your energy. You have pulled up your energy. You are not giving your energy to the divine masculine. That's why they want to feel your energy in the 5D. They want to connect with you in 5D and they want to tell you that we will be together again. Okay, so we will be together again. Let me see more messages from the divine masculine. They want to surprise you. Okay, I want to surprise you. So they want to surprise you here, Divine Feminines. Let me see more messages. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? We are always together no matter what. Okay, we are always together no matter what. We will be together again. It's the same message here. We will be together again. We are together, always together no matter what. Messages from the Divine Masculine. You gave me hope. Okay, so you gave me hope. What are the messages? Will you let me in if I approach you? They want to know. See, it's the same message. Is it possible to forgive and forget? Will you let me in if they approach you? They want to know here. Because they want to hold your body close to mine. I want to hold your body close to mine here. Can you see? I want to hold your body close to mine. They are missing your touch, basically your warmth, your touch. That's why they want to know that can you please connect me in 5D because they are not getting your energy. They want to hold your body close to mine. I see you in my dreams. Okay, they see you in their dreams. Okay, so Divine Masculine sees you in dreams. They want to hold your body close to mine. What else Divine Masculine wants to say? What else Divine Masculine wants to say? What does Masculine wants to say to the Feminine? Thank you for loving me unconditionally. Okay, so they want to thank you. 0707. They want to thank you for loving them unconditionally. See again. I want to surprise you. They want to give you a surprise. Please don't be scared. I'm not going anywhere. So your Divine Masculine wants to say you that don't be scared. They are not going anywhere. You will be together. We will be together again. Okay. So don't get scared. They're not going to go anywhere. And I am running away because I feel unworthy of your love. Okay. So they feel unworthy of your love. That's why they are running from you. Okay. They are watching you from a distance. And you see right on. That was a sign. Okay, so they run away from you because you see right through me, and it freaks me out. Okay, it freaks them out because you see right them. Okay, right into them, and it freaks them out. That's why they run away. And they are watching you from a distance. I am watching you from a distance. So they're keeping tabs on you, Divine Feminines. There is Wounded Masculine, bottom of the deck. I am having closed heart chakra. I have hurt you while I was hurting. And here I'm having I feel emotionally distant and numb. So they did not feel anything emotionally for anyone else. They are feeling emotionally numb, and they were the Wounded Masculine. Okay, so that's why they were hurt. They was hurting you. Okay, because they were self hurting here. I need more time. They need more time here. Okay, your beauty and strength intimates me. You are healing my soul even without realizing it, and I'm healing my inner child. So they are doing the healing here, Divine Feminines. Okay, they are doing the inner work. They're doing the healing. That's why they need more time. That's why they're saying that I need more time. There is your picture brings me tears. As you know, they are watching you from a distance. Okay, So they wanted to tell you that your picture brings tears into their eyes. Okay, they're missing you. Your picture brings me tears. I have been watching you from the distance. So these are the messages from your divine masculine. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. What does universe wants to say? What are the messages for universe, for divine feminines from the universe? What are the messages? What are the messages to the divine feminines from the universe? Okay. Learn to forgive and forgive others, and learn to forgive yourself and others here. Okay. And can you see how this mirror number is here? 1331, and this is 1111 recording reading time. This is an important message here. Put more focus on yourself and your surroundings. Don't compare yourself to others. You are unique. Okay, divine feminines, put more focus on yourself and on your surroundings. Don't compare yourself to others. You are unique. That's the message I'm getting here, and this is the mirror number 1331. Reach out to your soul tribe. Okay, reach out to your soul tribe. Expand your horizons. Then there is learn to love your body and embrace it. That's why they are saying that don't compare yourself to others. You are unique. Okay, so these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the blockages in your twin flame journey. What are the blockages? Give me the blockages for this reading. Help me out to deliver the message. Greedy. Okay. What are the blockages? Okay. So, some of you are the bossy. Okay, here. Divine feminines, either you are bossy or the divine masculine is bossy. But someone is bossy here. Then there is greedy. Okay, these blockages you can apply according to your situation. Okay, so it can be your divine masculine or it can be you. But someone is here greedy. Someone is sneaky and deceptive here. Then there is you need to change your perspective. Change your perspective. And someone is dealing with a karmic lover. Okay, either divine masculine is having karmic lover or the divine feminine is dealing with the karmic lover, but someone is dealing with the karmic lover here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the twin flame tarot deck. And if you wish to buy this deck, you can let me know in the comment section. I can let you know, okay, how you can buy this deck. Let's see what are the messages. Healthy sexuality, balancing the physical flow of love. You need to set up healthy boundaries here. Healthy sexuality, because here I'm having bottom of the deck, I'm having the devil here. So set up healthy sexuality, okay, because physical flow of love is required. Healthy sexuality is required here. What else? There is chakra balancing, the power of color and energy flow. So do your chakra balancing here, okay. There is union. You both are getting close to each other. This is beautiful. You both are getting close to each other. Keep balancing your chakra. Do your inner work, okay. Heal yourself. Then there is galactic downloads, ascension, light codes, upgrades. Beautiful. Ascension is taking place. Galactic downloads are happening here. Ascension light codes are having. You need to keep your patience, divine feminine. Okay, patience is required, divine feminine. Okay, patience is required here. Can you see divine feminine? And I'm having twin flame. You required some kind of patience here. You are having soul missions. Work on your soul mission. Okay, Focus on your soul missions. Wow. Divine feminine, divine masculine. Relax and let go. I love it. Divine masculine and the divine feminine both are here. Okay. So you both are the twin flame. You are the mirror of the soul here. Can you see divine masculine and the divine feminine is here? Okay. So you are the twin flame. You are the mirror to each other. And you both are having a soul mission. Focus on your soul mission. The more you focus on your soul mission, you are going to get reunited very soon. Reconciliation will happen according to the divine timing, but you will be getting more healed, okay, as you are working on your inner self, inner work. So this will help you out in your, because you are having a soul mission together here, divine masculine and the divine feminine, because you are rising as in divine masculine and the divine feminine. Divine feminine, you need to keep patience. This situation requires more time. Okay, keep your patience. And divine masculine, they have to relax and let go. Allow stillness to help them out. So that's the message I'm getting here. This is very beautiful message. Thank you for giving me the beautiful messages. Okay, let me see more messages from this deck. What are the messages you want me to give for this reading? Official person, child, I honor, expectation. Okay. No. What are the messages? Courthouse, concern, gift, lovers, okay. So if you are having some kind of concern, maybe some of you are already married and having a court case here, because I'm having a court case here. So you are expecting your divine masculine to contact you here. Maybe you both are having child together, okay, and there is an official person who will help you out here. Okay, maybe this official person will help your divine masculine also. Okay, you will receive I honor. There is mature man here. Can you see mature man? So there is mature man who is involved in your situation. Someone is very much concerned. Maybe this mature man is very much concerned here. Can you see? Either this can be your father or their father, but this is someone who is an old in age. There is some kind of gift which is coming for you from your lovers, from your twin flame. You are going to get start from getting a house together here. Your pathway is uplifted. Okay, a new journey is indicated. Okay, either you're going to travel somewhere. So these are the messages from this deck. Let me see what are the messages from the angels. What are the messages from the angels? Love is in the air. Okay. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for this reading. Major shift is coming for you here. Okay. Angels indicate that you are at a junction in life where you need to be decisive, as there will be a major shift in life. Pray to angels to give you strength and help you to go through this phase. Okay, so there is a major shift which is coming for you. Let me see more messages from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the message. There is yes. Okay, maybe you are asking a specific question and the answer is yes. Take according to your situation. The answer is yes. What is the message you want me to deliver? Honesty and communication. Okay, so honestly communication is here, so you need to communicate with honestly. There is cut the codes and take a step back, bottom of the deck. If you're dealing with a karmic lover, you need to cut the codes and take a step back. Trust the universe. Okay, trust the universe. Raise your vibrations. You need to raise your vibrations here, divine feminines. And even if the divine masculine is watching this video, romance and connection, and there is manifestation. So either you are manifesting, divine feminine, you are doing the manifestation of your twin flame, of your romance and connection, or the divine masculine is doing, so you are going to receive your manifestation here. Okay, so keep manifesting romance and connection, your twin flame, your soul. This is the twin flame. Okay. Okay, so thank you angels for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the angels and ancestors. This is the same message which I got in today's my Aquarius reading too. So unleash the wild within. Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having Lord. Take charge with authority. Okay, and I'm sorry if you listen some voices in the background because my kids are playing in my home. Okay. So the first message for you is She-Wolf. Unleash the wild within. There is Shalom Master. Be graceful in movement and action. And can you see in this ball there is yin yang symbol. There is twin flame symbol. Okay. So and there is Earth Guardian. Stay rooted and grounded. Okay. And there is Spirit Fox. Trust your talents in changing time. So trust your talents in changing time. Beautiful messages. Let's see what does your divine masculine wants to take the next step towards divine feminines. What does the divine masculine? Emperor. They are going through with lot of pain, I can say that. 10 of Swords energy was there. So they are coming towards you with an sorry, with the apology. The Page of Cup energy was there. Okay, so you need to make a decision here. So let's see. What does divine masculine wants to take action towards divine feminine? What does divine masculine? The Moon. What does the divine masculine? Five of Swords, Three of Swords. Okay. What does Seven of Wands? Page of Cup is here. So yes, maybe your defensive mode is on because of the past hurts, because of the conflicts which has happened with your divine masculine. Okay, so that's why your guards are up, divine feminines, and they know this thing. Okay, they know that they broke your heart. Okay, and you still feel you are still going through that healing and all, with that heartache, with that heartbreak. That's why your defensive mode is on, your guards are up. Okay, but they're coming towards you with an apology here with the Page of Cups. Okay, they are coming towards you. Messages regarding relationship or social invitations. See, Page of Swords, they are keeping tabs on you here. Can you see? Page of Swords is here. That's why they say you that they're watching you from a distance. What does divine masculine wants to take the next step? Wow, they want to take, the Sun is here. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. They want to start a new happy beginning with you. Six of Cups. They're missing you. This is your twin flame. Okay, they are missing the memories which you both have created. Okay, this is Ace of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune here. Okay, so they want to create, they are making the decision here. Okay, they're making the decision. Wow, they are taking the leap of faith here. Wow, wow, wow. The chariot, the magician, and the leap, taking the leap of faith. They are manifesting. Okay, they are manifesting, they're taking the decisions, they're taking the leap of faith, they're moving in a forward direction here. Okay, they are making a decision here to create a new happy beginnings with you. They're taking the decisions, and even you have to take a leap of faith. Okay, divine feminines, take the leap of faith if they approach you. Okay, if they offer you, because they want, they are manifesting here. Can you see the magician is here? They want to move in a forward direction with you. The chariot is here, and they're making the decisions here. Can you see? They want to offer you two of cups. This is two of cups, and this is beautiful. This is beautiful, I can say that. So this is what they want to take the next step, and this is beautiful. Okay, they are coming towards you with an apology or the sorry. Okay, because they know that they hurt you, they put you in a third party situation, they know this, but they're coming towards you. Okay, so let's see some messages from this deck. Please give me the messages for this deck, from this deck to this reading. What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? Creativity. Divine feminines, if you have to work on your creativity, okay? Work on your creativity, work on your inner work, because that will help you out. The gardener is here. Set up healthy boundaries, okay? You need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. There is soulmate card which is coming for you. They are coming towards you to resolve the conflict, resolving the conflicts. Okay, so you have to work on your creativity, set up your healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, and do your healing. Okay, complete your healing, take care of your soul and your body. Some of you are dealing with the soulmates here. Okay, and soulmate is indicated here. See, shivery and the soulmate. So this is your soulmate energy. Wow, commitment is here, bottom of the deck. So commitment is here. They feel worthiness in you. Okay, any other message? Too many message. Any other message which I need to deliver for this reading? You have to work on your life purpose. Okay, work on your life purpose. Yeah, right, manifestation. Okay, divine feminines, either you are manifesting or your divine masculine is manifesting. Okay, but someone is manifesting here. Can you see intimacy and the connection? Manifestation is here. I can see the three chakras which are opening up. Can you see abundance? You are manifesting abundance, and your three chakras are activating: your heart chakra, your root chakra, and your sacral chakra. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs? They can be a Gemini, Libra, Leo, Cancer, Taurus, Pisces, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. Okay, let me add more from my other handmade deck. What are the signs? Too many. What are the signs? They can be a Cancer here. Okay, Cancer is coming twice. Okay, so they can be a Cancer. They can be a Capricorn here. Capricorn is coming twice. Any other sign? Either you are born on July or your divine masculine is born on July. So July is an important day. Okay. They can be a Pisces here. They can be a Pisces here. Okay. They can be a Sagittarius. They can be an earth and air element. They can be earth and fire element. They can be water and fire element. Let me see more. They can be born on March, or you are born on March. They can born on June, baby, or you can be born on June, baby. Any other signs? They can be a February baby here. They can be a Gemini. Okay, Gemini here. And they can be a water and air element. Any other signs? Any other signs? They can born on November. November baby is here. They can be a May baby. Bottom of the deck I'm having Scorpio, so they can be a Scorpio here. Okay, any other? Too many. No, too many. Okay. Okay, it wants to come out. Libra. So they can be a Libra here. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, okay? Or either you are having in your element, your chart, okay? So this was your reading. Let me see one more thing. Okay, just hold a second. No, that's it. So this was your emotions. I need to see this. Right. I was thinking that something is missing here. And this was missing. Let me see what are the emotions you are going through. Okay. Or your divine masculine is going through. Okay. Let me see what are the emotions. So they can be a possibility, anticipation, hopefulness, curiosity, uncertainty, and wanderlust. So this can be your emotions, okay? And there is loathing, disappointment, shame, resentment, guilt, and lithos. What I can see is that this is your divine masculine, okay? Feeling very sad, remorseful, guilt on the things they have treated you very badly in the past. So this can be the possibility, okay, for them. So this was the emotions. Let me see more. See, regret. I told you they're feeling very regret, okay. There is curiosity, desire, okay. Curiosity and desire is here. Then there is empathy and loneliness. So maybe they're feeling loneliness or empathy, okay. Then there is embarrassment. So these can be the emotions which your divine masculine is feeling or you are feeling. So this was your reading from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all of you who are watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.